Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically in Windows 11 fix. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts, click Sign In Options. Turn off Use My Sign In info to automatically finish settings up after an update. Second method is open Task Manager. Disable Microsoft Edge. Third method is type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar, click Task Scheduler. Disable all Microsoft Edge related tasks. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.